Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. From pre-market, Amazon looks good. Amazon would be my primary watch for the day. The stock is gapping up and holding the trend. At market open, I would like the stock to break the pre-market high and continue higher. I'll be looking for strength followed by pullback on Amazon. The next stock that I'm watching today is Tesla. Tesla too is gapping up, but it's not holding the trend well. I'll definitely wait for market open. I would like to see the stock break the pre-market high and continue higher. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 7 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. The market is open. Tesla making the move. Not interested as of now. Amazon not moving at all. NVDA selling off. Can be a put opportunity. The option volume is very low as of now. I'll keep an eye on it. Watching Tesla back. Tesla looking good. It should break the pre-market high for me to get interested. Yep, it's breaking. So I'm looking at the options, Tesla. So for me, Tesla looks good around 1138. Oh, I just missed it. Placing an order, 1180. Looking good now. Maybe I'll exit 1075. Yep, it's taking off. Great. Selling 20. 1150. Now with just 10 contracts, I'll look to exit around 1120. Selling. I'm out. That was a stressful trade because I messed up with my order windows a little bit. I got in at 995 and 1180. I got out at 1150 and 1120. If Tesla breaks today's high, then I'll be interested in a second trade. For now, I'll go ahead and pause. Now I'm watching NVDA on the put side. It's dropping. So maybe I'll buy puts on the rebounds. On NVDA, I'm not seeing volume. That is not a good sign. I'm not sure why we don't have enough volume. I'll wait for more volume to come in. Sad to see we don't have volume on NVDA puts, because this to me is a great setup. It may test this resistance and then continue down. That's my thought process on NVIDIA, but unfortunately without volume, I don't want to get in. Looks like we don't have any setups as of now, so I'll go ahead and pause. As I said, NVIDIA popped and dropped. $385, I'm getting in. NVIDIA puts. Stock is dropping. Just got one ad. Maybe I'll sell half at 410. It's dropping. Selling half at 420. It's continuing higher. I'll wait. So what I've done here is I've initiated a put position. So if the stock moves up, I'm losing money. But if the stock goes down, I'll make money. So I'm bearish on NVIDIA as of now. I bought 10 put contracts at 385. I anticipate the stock to pull down further. I'm sitting at 420. Yep, I've sold half. Maybe I'll just get out at 4. Yep, I'm out. That was an easy trade, but I did not want to overstay my welcome because volume is low. But I'm pretty sure that it's going to continue down. Yep, NVIDIA is going down again. Big red candle. Now NVDA may be giving me a second entry. I'll start a position on the put side at the stock touches 331. It's not breaking the previous 5-minute candle's high. Yep, it's coming. I just missed it. I want the 331 area to be retested. A high was around 331. Getting in at 340. I'm in 10 contracts. I'm looking for a second add around 332 area. Adding at 305. There is a huge level of support around 305. Just cancelling for now. Adding. Watching. Out. That was a great trade. I got 2 adds on the put side. I bought at 340 and 295 and sold at 349. It was a great trade. On a slow day making $4,056, I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.